Bisa pag-chat na pag mustawa. Kahit ginako gyud.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, we're going to Cebu South Bus Terminal because I'm on my way to the province. And as promised, Saturday, tomorrow, I'm going to visit my injured cousin and the family of the person that has flown away already, guys. So, today it's actually 7:26 p.m. guys, and I'm on my way there. So I'll see you tomorrow, guys, and let's say what happened tomorrow. Let's go.
Say something like you love me and make my day, like you always do, like you always do. Hold my hand and look me in the eyes.
Guys, so I've arrived right now here in Cubano City, our boarding house.
Every day is something new.
Today is
If I spend
Saturday.
with you, with you. Oh, I want you right now, and I need you right now. You right now.
So we started to buy a 25 kilo of rice.
Round, around. Oh, I want you now, now, now. My world is spinning round, 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 and I want you now.
So we started putting the noodles, guys, that I think they needed so much. Yes. We should put coffee and milk.
Bunit ako na lang dala.
I think they need coffee and milk, of course, for the baby. And sugar is we're going to get, especially this one.
Sardines.
Biscuit like biscuits. Asa itong biscuit di nga kanang sinulubal di wala sila na. Pansiton ilaha. Di ba pansiton? This is for the person, guys, for the family that have lost their children, child. So mele. Pilan ko sardinas. Na, dire, apel dire. Tara, oh, sardinas. Kanila palahi na akong counter, palahi sa akong sud. Tara lang oh, tara, twin pack oh. Para sa yan ba? Black coffee.
We used to talk for hours, but now we don't do that anymore. We used to share our thoughts and dreams, but that was such a long time ago. Maybe we've grown apart. Maybe we weren't meant to be right from the start. But I remember those days with joy in
Good morning, Toledo.
behind us now.
So guys, here are my cousins and the mother of my guys. We are good to go. So guys, we are here right now in Aluginsan Public Market, guys. And we're waiting for my cousin to come here because we don't know the exact location of their house.
Maybe that is for the best. 'Cause you're not the same as you used to be. And maybe we've grown apart. Maybe we weren't meant to be right from the start. But I remember those days with joy in my heart. It's all that.
Guys, so we are here already in my cousin house. So let's go inside. Mm-mm. So hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are here in my cousin house, and yeah, this is the name of my cousin, guys, Bumbi. Unya karon guys, mangutana ta kung unsay ang gipamati. So kuya, how are you kuya? Kamusta man ka?
Okay naman ko, okay ra.
Karon kuya kanang kamusta man imong billing sa ospital kuya? Wala. Wala ra ka idea. Sige, so I'm just gonna ask the cousin guys his son about it because kuya I think he needs rest for now because as you can see that um the right side of his eyes is really affected by the accident. So we have received donation, Kuya, from my subscriber, and I'm really grateful for that. And now, Kuya, is we brought here some 25 kilos of rice and groceries, and at the same time, the remaining cash is I will give it to the other person that you have hit the motorcycle, Kuya. And then now is I will also give you cash because I know that you still need to rest and you cannot find ways to get money. So for now, just accept this, kuya. Yeah, this is worth 5,000. Yeah, okay. So that is for you, kuya, and your family. And the remaining cash that I received from my subscriber is I will give to the other person that you have hit the motorcycle. And then, unsa may imong masulti, kuya? What can you say?
Oh, salamat aniday.
Na kuya is for you na kuya. Sa katong akong that's for you like kanang imong gasto-gasto sa magdagan nga buwan. Ang katong lahi pod to katong akong ihatag po didto sa kanang namatyan. Oo kana is for you jud na kuya para sa magdagan imong adlaw kay di pa man kakapangita. So karon guys naa dire. So guys, I am here and this is the wife of my cousin guys. Unsa kay ngalan nimo ate? Helen. Nya unsa may mong masulti ate sa akong mga subscriber nga mao gintay rason nga naami karon po dire. Nya nakakuan mi sa mong hinabang nga ginagmay lang gud basta tinabangay.
Na kay nagikatabang na mo sa among problema day. Dako na jud kayo na kay bisan piso wala jud mi karon. Pasalamat gid mi naabot jud mo nga naa jud mi dawat bagi kaninyo. Kay wala pa ambot mapliso ba yan ni? Pasakaan jud kaso. Mo na nga dako jud kay ko pasalamat ka sa ako abay ang mga igsuon makaliwat ako wa gid in town sila paki na mo. Bisa pag-chat na lang pagmustawa. Kapait gid ako gyud ug kami gid na inaani. Wa jud ko nagdahom nga naa di ay pa di ay mga side sa ni Bombi di ay nga nagpakabana na mo. O kaning among nadawat day. Salamat jud kaayo day. Di gid na mo ni kalimtan day. Dako na jud kay ni ikatabang namo.
Welcome ate nya. Laban lang gid ta sa kinabuhi te, tistingon man gid ta sa Ginoo. Oo, tistingon gid ta te pero laban lang. Kay ang importante gyud luwasad si Kuya Bombe tuod man sa maang higayon nga matay ang pikas pero sige lang padayon lang gyapon ta.
Mi bisan 500 wala gyud mi karon. Naglisod jud mi timong kaon na mo. Oh, di na ba nung ginasa ka pangitag kwarta pa. Pagkahitabo wala sa may paninda. Pero ang buwak na hunot na pud og kakuan.
Nya malimot day ko te unsa may kuan pangitaan ni Kuya Bombi di ay matag Domingo adlaw.
Dili sa kapaninda ni masahiro ra gyud ni baylag agi og 100.
Masahero te.
Masahiro.
Nya kanang pagpamasahero niya pila man yang kita taga adlaw.
Pero yung kabaya dai baylag agi gatos kapin.
100
Oo,
100 per
oo.
day. Nya unsaon giunsa man ninyo pag budget matag adlaw ninyo nga
Dili na lang mi nagmaglaom nga mao ni imong saligan magkapalit ng konsumo. Paninda una pa.
sideline
Oh, sideline na na.
Ang sideline.
May pagpalundaan.
Oo. Nya mao ra to te kanang salamat sad gid kaayo sa pagpadayon namo ari. Nya madto sad mi sa pikas te. Koy murag ko mukuyog kaya no.
Prisuhon pero gitagalan mi og ano sa akong klase ko. Parang 40.
Kana ya. 26. Oo.
Leaves turning yellow. I'm back where we first met. It is raining, but all I can see is the
Here are the mother of my cousin guys.
Pasalamat sa kusukong anak nga na kuan siya na arang-arang ng taon siya. Puti man kuanan niya daghan na bunog. Salamat ko sa Ginoo ng taon nga na kuan siya.
Oh.
Mm.
Thank you tia. And Kuya Dante.
Ako alang kanang salamat kay Day sa imong pagsuporta sa among igagaw na to nga unta di ka mausab sa mua sa imong kaayo diri kanamo Ginoo na lang magbawas imuha ug thank you jud kaayo daghang kayong salamat kay maluwas natong igagaw sa aksidente nga nahitabo at least nga natabangan nato siya sa kinasingkasing nga pamaagi ug Ginoo ray magbawas sa imong kaayo namo Day ug daghang kayong salamat.
Salamat po diya. Tinabangay lang yun ta.
Salamat day kay day. Nga pagtabang sa akong anak nga nako sa imong pag-agaw. Salamat kay day.
Welcome tiya.
Day na po. Kuan.
Ikaw te.
Pasalamat ko una sa tanan sa subscriber ni Janabel nga gihinganlan siyag scammer, although na proof na gyud namo nga tinuod ang tanan. So sakit-sakit gyud ang mga gisulti nila pero dako kog pasalamat kay dako siyang natabang namo. Salamat.
I-mention
Te, salamat kayo te nga nakatabang ka te nga ipadayon nimo og kanang help pa sa uban dili lang kay ire. Salamat kay te.
din ako guys kung kinsa to ni Tabang. Salamat kayo Tony Farillo, Brian May, Julius Arcio og Richard. Salamat kay ninyo guys sa pagsalig og pagtabang.
We're going right now, guys, to the funeral of the other motorcycle that is involved in the accident.
We used to talk for hours.
All for today, guys, and thank you so much for making this possible, guys, for believing in me, and rest in peace to the other person that passed away, and praying for the fast recovery for my cousin. And now we're going home, and I'm going back to Cebu City. And again, thank you so much, guys, and I'll see you again next time.
Start, but I remember those days with joy in my